to select and share your mood on Badoo. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how you can select and share your mood on Badoo. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to ensure that you've installed the Badoo app on your mobile phone, and once you've installed it, you open it on your mobile phone. So once you've launched it on your mobile phone, just like I've done here, this interface is what you're going to see first on your mobile phone. And then, so here, this is what you're going to see on your screen, and we click on, at the lower part of the screen, you see next, the icon next. Meanwhile, Badoo is an app for dating. So if you want to meet someone, if you want to meet anybody online, to date anybody online, you can do that using Badoo app. So you see it here at the lower part of the screen. It says yes to dating with confidence. So Badoo helps you to date with confidence online. So at the lower part of your screen, you see the icon that says next. So you click on the icon, just like I've done here, and so once you've logged in, you check at the lower part of your screen. You see icons like the search icon, the location icon, the likes icon, the encounter icon, and the profile icon. So what you need to do is to look at those icons again, and you click on the nearby icon. That's the location icon. That's the second icon at the lower part of your screen. Once you click on it, you see several pictures of people and with their age attached to them. Also at the lower right corner of your screen, you see the icon mood. You click on mood, just like I've done here. So once you click on mood, a page will be displayed on your screen showing you several types of mood. So examples of mood are up to adventure, feeling confident, open to friendship, let's hang out, and so on. So when you see any of the mood that suits your mood at that present time, you click on it. You can click on any one that you so desire. Once you've clicked on it, you basically select and share your mood on Badoo. So it's that simple, okay? You can try it out too. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.